Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of the Kumera Elite. This is a budget mechanical keyboard from Redragon on Amazon. So this is a 2.4G wired or Bluetooth keyboard. You've got 3 different methods to connect it to your computer. We're gonna do an unboxing, a full sound test, and then get some close-up looks and my thoughts. I review a ton of budget keyboards on this channel, so we'll see how this one stacks up. All links will be down below as well. Let's get into it. All right, the Kumera Elite from Redragon. Let's get into the unboxing here. I really like the color scheme of this one. Just that nice, clean red, black, and white. And the other thing that's crazy about this board is, look, it's kind of like sunken in here. So Redragon did send this over for review, by the way. I do need to say that. So look at this. It's got a little bit of twist, but overall pretty rigid here. And this is going to be pretty low to the ground here. Now we'll get into the full sound test here shortly, but this is what you can expect in terms of the board. On the back here, we have our USB-C cable, our dongle. We only have one big foot, so no kind of middle ground option. That's a bit unfortunate to see there. And then you have your Bluetooth or 2.4G switch right there. So let's get into the sound test. That is going to be the factor here. It doesn't sound the best, but it is very budget, so we'll get into that sound test. Real quickly though, got your typical Redragon cable here. This is a braided though, so that's pretty nice to see, especially for a budget board. And then we've got a couple extra keys here, wrapped in bubble wrap, or a couple switches in case you break one. And then a keycap and switch puller. Now we can get into the sound test. Final thoughts on this keyboard. This is a very, very budget option, so you can't really expect too much. It sounds, I will say, very cheap, kind of scratchy, hollow. It is an interesting kind of design and shape where the keys are sitting down into the board. The only one leg here, it does not offer very much adjustability. That is my thoughts on it. Pretty loud, but definitely check it out. I will have links down below to this keyboard as well as some others and all my other keyboard reviews up here. Thanks for watching Modern Reviews, guys.